Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch, brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now, today is Wednesday, the 20th of March. Just before we begin, if I could just ask you to take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning currently up on screen. Okay, so let's go straight in then and discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So without further ado, let's bring up our trading platform. And really, as the title suggested, it is very much about the calm before the storm. And what we're talking about here is tomorrow we have a major news event. We have the FOMC making their economic predictions and also providing the markets with a statement. And we'll be making a rate decision. Now, they're expected to keep interest rates up to 2.5%. That's very much priced in with current price action as we look at these markets. Obviously, a deviation off that figure would be quite explosive for the markets, but very unlikely to see any kind of rate decision. But all eyes will be on the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, with regards to whether his outlook as far as interest rates are concerned is more dovish, or whether it's more hawkish. Now, the expectation is that his press conference is very likely to be more dovish, which means the reduction of interest rates or the number of interest rates over the course of the year ahead. So it's going to be an interesting one for the markets. And as a result, we're very likely to experience a little bit of calm market maybe prior to that. And then, of course, we do have the EU Economic Summit as well on Thursday with the central bank, the Bank of England, again, making rate decisions and talking to the markets and providing the markets with a policy summary as well. So really, we've got the next day or two ahead, we've got some quite volatile, or potentially quite volatile events. So don't be surprised if the markets are a little bit quieter. What we've done is we've identified potentially a couple of interesting opportunities. The first one here is the gold market. We're in a bit of an uptrend in gold, and we quite like that to continue, or it has a strong likelihood that it will continue. But over the course of yesterday's trading, we got very close to breaking that 1311. We didn't quite get to that. So now, does this become a double top? Because if we start approaching this level again and we do break that, then that is confirmation that we are, continuing to the upside. So, and as you can see, there's just quite a little bit of room above that level in the gold market. Kind of similar situation for the US oil. Very indecisive as it was 2 trading days ago, as you can see, or maybe 2 and 3. So there is still a strong bullish biasness, but we'd really want to be getting into this market now at above the 59.80 level. Obviously, the 60 level is quite a psychological level. It's an important level in US oil, and if we break above that, we've got a little bit more, a bit of freedom just above those levels. So 2 potentially decent trades, but just be mindful of the fact that we do have a lot of news events coming out, which could impact these trades quite significantly. Feel free to connect with us through our social media platforms currently up on screen. And if you are genuinely interested in learning how to trade the financial markets, please do go to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com. There's a variety of membership packages available for those that would like to be mentored by a professional trader, and you can join us for as little as $19.99 per calendar month. So hopefully you'll find that incredible value as we all trade the markets as kind of a large group of profitable traders. So we do hope it's what you're looking for. So on that note, thanks very much for joining us. Do take care for everyone here at the Live Trade Room. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.